It can be used for 60 days on a single charge. This ultra-powerful and powerful car cordless vacuum cleaner quickly picks up dust, crumbs, hair in less than 1 second, leaving your space looking fresh and new. It's perfect for your home or car. And it's even more convenient for camping. Not only that, it can also blow dry and dry clothes, realizing true multifunctional use. The removable, washable design makes cleaning easier, and the German manufacturing ensures high quality. Not to mention a 6-year warranty for your peace of mind. Order now to enjoy the lowest price and offer 7 days no reason refund. Translated with DeepL. Free vision.